Well, all right, viewers. On that, in fact, now let's get to my colleagues on the ground. Very well, in fact, to know more details as to how the responses have been. Arzu Seth joins me from the national capital, Belly Thomas from Bengaluru, Ajay Jandayal from Jammu, while Raj Kiran from Hyderabad and Nibedeka from Assam join me live on the broadcast. All right, Arzu, first up from the national capital, after the GST reforms have been passed by the council unanimously, big decision there, while in fact most people are expecting big reliefs in the sectors where relaxation has been given. What more updates in this historic GST cut that you are tracking very closely early this morning, just a night after now the decisions have been declared?
Well, Simran, it's actually a good morning for the common man, for the middle class, as there has been a major cut in the GST slabs on the major household item. And right now we are present in one of the most footfall of market, CP, and where we will be interacting with the people, the common men who are usually and the most affected one from the GST changes, the reform that has been brought up yesterday. The announcement were made, and now a big smiles on their faces, and would like to have a conversation with them also. Sir, we are talking about the GST reform, and that was announced, whether it's from health sector or from the any industry, there has been a cut that is being seen. How do you see?
See, ma'am, I'm from the hotel industry. I'm from Uttarakhand. What I perceive that we had the slab of 12% and 18%. Now we are at a fix, we are not able to understand how we'll be taking GST in our food items that are served in the hotel or the room rental. So, but it is a good sign, but now if it is 18%, the people earlier who are paying 12% will immediately go into the higher slab, or definitely not going into the lower slab. So this is a quandary which we are facing now. We're yet to see on the clarification on that. My friend, he is a CA here.
So how do you see overall GST changes, the reforms that is being done?
Overall, GST changes are very good. They have made GST very simple. Like, there are only 2 slabs left now. And also, the fast process of GST. I have not completely studied about it, but I have heard it's very good step.
Also, from paneer to paratha, there will be nil GST. So it's a big relief for the common man, for the middle class.
Yeah, there are many other sectors as well in which we have very big relief to common man, like insurance, health insurance. Earlier we used to give 18% insurance, but I think now it's nil. But I have not completely studied about it, but all I know is a very big relief.
So as you are a CA, so you are handling the financial accounts of these several people. So how do you see how this is going to impact economically to the people?
It's a very good step. Like, it will be very good in everything. Good step.
So definitely, people are appreciating and calling it a good step. भैया क्या जीएसटी में बदलाव किए गए हैं, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम लोग डेली इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दूध से लेके घी से लेके, जिन पे 12 से 18% जीएसटी लगता था, अब 5% लगेगा या फिर निल कर दिया गया। आप लोग कैसे देख रहे हैं?
बढ़िया है मैम, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि इसके लिए जो किए हैं इन्होंने गवर्नमेंट ने, तो ये अच्छा ही किए हैं। आम आदमी को बहुत जो कठिनाइयों की इनकी जो झेलनी पड़ती है, जो मतलब ये लग रहे थे टैक्स, ये ना लगे तो बढ़िया है।
तो आप लोगों के लिए जिस तरीके से प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा था डबल दिवाली होने वाली है, हो रही है डबल दिवाली?
अभी तक तो नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन देखिए आगे।
अच्छा, बदलाव के बाद बिल्कुल। So people are hoping that this GST changes will bring a big relief for them. और भी लोग हैं, will try to have conversation with them. सर कहाँ से आए आप?
मैं पंजाब से हूँ।
पंजाब से हैं। फिलहाल तो वहाँ की कंडीशन फ्लडिंग वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है।
बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है वहाँ पे, और बारिश से बहुत लोग वहाँ पे बेहाल हैं। खास करके मैं पंजाब के लुधियाना इंडस्ट्रीज एरिया से जो है कि बिलोंग करता हूँ।
All right, Arjun, in fact, continue to stay with us. We also have our colleagues live from